Sometimes a gentle swipe is all it takes to reveal something stunning beneath the surface. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be working with a powerful palette, blue, purple, and pink, layered across the canvas with a bold touch of silver. I added a Cell Activator to the silver to see what kind of reaction I'll get, and I'll be using a napkin swipe technique to blend everything together. So sit back and enjoy. Watch closely here. This is the moment where the silver touches the pink, purple, and blue, and where the magic happens. Thanks for being here. Art like this always reminds me to appreciate the little reactions and shifts, not just in paint, but in life too. So let your style evolve with you. If you enjoyed this piece, feel free to like, comment, or share your thoughts below. And remember, Stay creative and keep painting.